and for hooded eyes. So I'm going to try to address all that to you today. I guess first what I'm going to start out with is I'm just going to, and I will put this picture in the comments below. This is really a great example on how to apply eyeshadow for different shapes of eyes. Excuse me, here goes my allergies again. So you can find your eyeshadow type, or your eye shape type, excuse me. And then one is going to be the highlighter, which would be a light color. Your middle tone color will be kind of more of a muted, or your darker shade for in the crease of your eye. And then your accent will be like a light or a frosted color. You need to remember, if you have mature eyes or hooded eyes, where you wear frost is very important, because if you put frost in the crease or too much frost in the highlighting area, it is going to accent that hood. So what you want to do is use a darker color when you have hooded eyes in that crease, and I will show you that in just a second. So, and actually you can kind of hear it too. On hooded eyes also, you want to bring the eye up. So bringing it up means putting the darker color, accenting that towards the corner of the eyes. Farmasi has several different options on eyeshadows. I tend to have a problem when I put eyeshadows on that they're not the pigment or the color that I want. If you will put a primer on first, not only will your eyeshadow stay on and not crease and look crepey looking, it will stay on longer, and it neutralizes that palette so that you get the true color of the eyeshadow. I have a lot of pink undertones, so when I put eyeshadows on, sometimes they don't look like the color on the palette. So start with your primer. We have a cream eyeshadow, and it comes in different shades. I just didn't pull everything out. I like this. Sometimes if I want just a neutral looking eye and I'm just going to put one color all over just to kind of give me some color, but don't want to spend a lot of time on my eyes, this one is great for me. I know some people also use it just like regular eyeshadow. We have our solo palettes, so just one color, and like again, there's several different shades of this. Our trios make it really easy. Breaks it down so that you'd have your highlighter, your middle tone, and your accent color all in one. There's no guesswork on these. And we have several of these too. So with our new palettes, one of the neat things, if you struggle and you're not sure on what colors to put with what, if you look at these palettes, most of your colors, if you go down these three, will all go together. Now you can mix it up. You're not stranded on having to use just that. But if you don't know what colors go together, these will all go together. So here's your highlighter, your middle tone, and then your accent color would be how I would use it. Because usually I use the middle tone is what I use in my crease or on my outer corners. Same thing with the Wanderlust. So you could put all three of these colors together. You just want to make sure once you put your colors on and you get them in the placement that you want for your eye shape. So let's just say we're going to do a standard eye. So you want to make sure that once you've got them all in, that you blend. That is the most important part, is blend, blend, blend. Get you a fluffier brush and blend all those colors together so that you don't have any harsh lines. I hope that answered any questions you have about eyeshadow. If you have any more, just put them on here. I'm glad to go back and answer them for you. Everybody have a blessed day.